right, Ken, I've got another really great bit of feedback for you. This is from Matria. Simply put, I was feeling really crappy from a number of health challenges, and C60 Purple Power has made me feel way better. My mind is clear. My breath feels lighter. I'm experiencing less physical pain, and my sleep has improved greatly. Thank you so much. I will continue to order this and tell my friends and family about it. So can you talk a little bit about what might be going on with Matria's experience here in C60?
Well, the number one thing, if you look about the main cause of degenerative disease, and 50% of the diseases today is inflammation. And so by C60 being a powerful antioxidant, takes down that inflammation. And when the inflammation is reduced, well, then everything works better and people feel better.
Cool.